Killing King Beach.
But we didn't go to the beach, we went to Kling Kling.
Kling King.
Can't you say it, so then you look silly if it's wrong. Bend the knees.
Steve,
Deirdre,
work hard.
travel more.
And day 2 on the beautiful Nusa Penida Island, and today we're heading off on a little scooter adventure. We're heading to Kling King.
Yeah,
Kling Beach, which is a pretty famous little spot. We're going to have a look at Barnard Cliffs, and we might even climb down and have a look at some waterfalls. Wish us luck.
Good day. Bye.
Gross over that here.
Oh no, I'm just worried you're going to come up here.
Here we are, guys, at Kling King Beach, if that's the right way to say.
I say Kling Kling, we're not quite...
Kling King Beach.
Yeah, we're just not getting it right, but that's alright.
But anyway, she's pretty spectacular down there.
Yeah.
We'll go for a wander down and hopefully we can get some good shots.
Cool.
So we've been over to Kling
Kling.
Start that again. We've been to Klingang Beach. Kling. Rightio.
Blooper, beep. Kling Beach.
Klinging.
It's not, it's Kling. Oh, and now I forgot what this is
Clinging.
called. What's this called?
Oh, fuck. Killing King Beach. Killing King Beach.
But we didn't go to the beach, we went to Kling.
Klinking.
Can't you say it, so then you look silly if it's wrong.
Killing King. Rightio. We've been to Killing King Beach. And we keep... I think we got that saying right. That was pretty cool. We were going to walk down to the beach.
Yeah, went down about a quarter of the way. It was
Yeah.
enough, otherwise you started losing the whale/dinosaur,
And,
so we didn't bother.
and we got the Instagram pics that we were chasing, I hope. We'll see. But we're just heading on out, and we've spotted another little place here called hang on. So
Palang, this is Palang, is it? Palang Cliff?
Pulang.
Cliff.
Yeah, Pulang Cliff.
Right, so
Okay,
I'll go.
it's Pulang Cliff.
Right, and we're just on our way from the beach, and we've found another little spot just off from the car park actually called
Pulang Cliff?
and well, we've been here for what, half an hour,
Yeah, easy.
and we've pretty much had the place to ourselves.
Good photo spots,
Great
You
photo
know.
spots.
all the normal ones, but yeah, good spot.
I think we got some good shots, and as I say, it was just good not to have all the crowds there, eh? So
Yeah.
awesome. Anyway, on with our adventures. Cha-ching.
Bye.
if you can see that, guys, but down about there, I'm hoping I'm getting the circle right, there's a manta ray just hanging down there. What an amazing view, eh? Check this stuff out, man. Woo. The little Sunday stroll. It's not Sunday. We need to be back over there, Dick. Make sure you got hold of that thing. It's a bit like mountaineering. See how we go for the rest of it. We made it. Woohoo! That was quite extreme, actually. I don't know if we should have or shouldn't have.
Look up, that's where we come from.
So we've just been winding up that little path. Literally straight up that hill.
Crazy.
Yeah. Only if you're fit and you're confident. We were probably borderline. Like there was 3 or 4 times, 5 or 6 times maybe that we sort of thought about turning around. But anyway, we kept going with it and we're here now. Well, we made it. Singling Waterfalls.
Yep,
That's what it was called?
it sure was.
God, I'll tell you what, on a extreme or scale or
1 to 10.
effort scale, yeah.
Oh, it'd be
12?
a 10 plus. 10 plus plus.
Yeah, climbing up those banks. Anyway,
Yep.
yeah, pleased we did it.
Yep, it was
It
good.
was another experience ticked off the bucket list. So
Definitely.
on to the next one.
Yep.
Bye.
This way
Yeah, so-
apparently. Thanks, sweetie. It'll be a good view.
So we're cruising along on our way back for some lunch, which does sound so nice, and we spotted a sign that said 3k to Sarin Cliff Point.
No,
And that-
30k.
I reckon more like bloody 30k. Oh, on a
goat
goat track. Sore bum on the scooter. But anyway, we're going to see what the view's like, and that's probably what it is going to be, a 30-second view. Hopefully not.
Yeah.
But that's pretty nice. Not a bad view. Colour of that water's just fantastic, isn't it, eh?